Everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to download Among Us on your iPhone for free. To download it, first of all, open your App Store on your iPhone device. Once you are there, on the searching bar, search for Among Us, and then you will see an option of Among Us. Simply hit on the download button. It will take some time to get download. Wait for it. Once it is downloaded, it will see open. Open that, and here you have downloaded Among Us. I hope you like this video. Do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.